friends. Today we'll see again continuation of the joint probability distribution with more number of examples. So the next example based on joint probability distribution is the joint probability distribution table for two random variable x and y is as follows. They have given the values of y -2, -1, 4 and 5. Values of x is 1 and 2. These are the joint value of 1 and -2. Joint value of 1 of -1 is 0.2, similarly 0 and 0.3. Similarly, joint value of 2 and -2 is 0.2. 2 and -1 is 0.1, and similarly for remaining two more values. So here we need to determine the marginal probability distribution of x and y, and same result number 1, we need to prove expectation of xy and x and y separately and xy together, then standard deviation of x and y, covariance of x and y, and correlation. This is the same question. Way of asking is same, just the value is changed here. So I need to work out once again the example, so hope you will understand in a better way. So we'll start now. Now we collect the first values in the table, that is the joint probability distribution table is. So this is a table I have taken. So these are the what value I have already filled here. This is from the table. So I have taken just in addition y1, y2, y3, y4, x1, x2. So these are the joint values 0.1, 0.2, 0, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, 0.1 is nothing but joint values. These are the x values. X1 and 2 is x value, -2, -1, 4, 5 is the value of what here y. So now you check it. So we'll take the summation of this. So sum of this, so 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3, 0.3 plus 0.3 is how much here? 0.6. Next 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 is nothing but 0.4. So if you add 0.6 plus 0.4, it will be 1. Similarly, 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3, 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1, 0.3 plus 0 is 0.3. So 0.3 plus 0.3 is 0.6, 0.6 plus 1 is 0.7, 0.7 plus 0.3 is out here 1.0, that is again 1. So this satisfies the table. So based on this, the marginal distribution is the marginal probability distribution is we need to prepare a table as x value and f of x value. So x values for 1, for this 1 the value is 0.6, for this 2 the value is 0.4. Okay, so similarly the marginal distribution for y, so y and g of y, so for -2 is 0.3, for -1 is 0.3, then for 4 value 4 it is 0.1, and the last one is out here for 5 it is 0.3. So once we got this is the marginal distribution we have created now. So now we'll go for the first one. They have asked to find the expectation of, we need to find expectation of x, y as well as xy. So means, which implies we need to find expectation of x, expectation of y, and we need to find expectation of xy now. So we'll see these all three one by one. So firstly we'll see expectation of x is nothing but the formula is summation x into f of x, that is summation. So here 1 into 0.6 plus 2 into 0.4 Okay, 2 into 0.4 I have taken like that. So the resultant is what here, if you simplify, so you will get here it is 1.4. Expectation of x is what here, 1.4. That is, therefore, which is the value of mu x also, mu x is equal to expectation of x is equal to 1.4. So we got the one result. Next we'll go for expectation of y is nothing but summation y into g of y, which is nothing but the value minus 2 into 0.3 plus minus 1 into 0.3 plus 4 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.3. So on simplification, so this result if you apply, so on simplification this will be minus 0.6 minus 0.3, so 4 into 0.1 is nothing but plus 0.4 plus 1.5 is equal to resultant is 1. So therefore we'll get the result of, that is mu of y, which is also nothing but expectation of y is equal to 1. So we got the result of expectation of x, expectation of y. Now we'll see what is expectation of xy. Now the formula for expectation of xy is summation I summation j xi yj into j of ij. Okay, j of ij means I will take the table here. So with the help of table I will get the value of this. So just see here, concentrate. So which is going to be calculated as, so x, y and j, this is x value, y value, and this is all what we have here. These are the j values. J is nothing but joint probability values. So first value is 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2 into 0.1 plus, first row we need to complete, 1 into minus 1 into 0.2, 1 into minus 1 into 0.2 plus 1 into 4 into 0, which is 0, plus 1 into 5 into 0.3, 1 into 5 into 0.3. So first row completed, plus second row will go now. So 2 into minus 2 into 0.2, 2 into minus 2 into 0.2 plus 2 into minus 1 into 0.1 plus 2 into 4 into 0.1, 2 into 4 into 0.1. So next is 2 into 5 into 0, so I'll write 0 directly. So on simplification this completely, so we'll get this answer as, so on simplification, so this will be minus 0.2, first one, first bracket, second bracket it is minus 0.2 plus 0 plus 1.5 plus minus 0.8 then is minus 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 0, so which is finally, if you calculate, it will be 0.9. So this is expectation of xy. So similarly you need to work out the second result. So second result is variance of x square, it is given by expectation of x square minus mu of x square. So you will find first expectation of x square is nothing but what here, summation of x square into f of x. So this will be from the table, so we have to, from the marginal table you need to use this one. So what marginal table, so 1 square into 0.6 we have to calculate like that. So we have done it, so it will be 1 square into 0.6 plus next value of x is 2 square into 0.4. so it will be, resultant will be here, it will be on simplification, it will be 2.4. this is expectation of x square. So with the help of this, you can find the value of variance of x. It is 2.2 minus mu. Just now we got the mu value as how much here? It is 1.4. So we need to square it, 1.4. So on squaring with this, we'll get it as, so we'll get as here on simplification of this is 0.24, which is nothing but variance value we got it. So therefore, so with the help of this we can find the standard deviation. So standard deviation value is square root of 0.24, which is nothing but 0.49. If you calculate and check, so you'll get this one. So similarly, on simplification, variance of y square result I will write here directly as, so it will be 9.6 you will get. So you calculate and check. So therefore, so standard deviation of y will be 3.1. So we got the second one. We need to calculate standard deviation of x as well as y as per the required question now. So next we'll see the covariance we need to check. We need to find the covariance. So what is covariance? Now we'll see now. So expectation covariance of xy is nothing but expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y. So just now we have calculated expectation of xy, we have calculated as it is 0.9. So enter the value directly. So it is 0.9 minus, so mu of x we got it as 1.4 and mu of y we got 1. So on simplification we'll get this variance as here it is minus 0.5. So covariance of xy will be minus 0.5. So last one, d we need to calculate. So d is what here? Correlation of xy we need to calculate. So this is given by rho into xy, that is covariance of xy divided by standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. So covariance we got the answer 0.5 and standard deviation of x we have calculated, it is 0.49 and standard deviation of y is 3.1. You enter here 0.49 and 3.1. So on simplification we'll get this one as minus 0.3. So therefore correlation of xy is minus 0.3. So in this way, so we need to complete the examples based on joint probability distribution.